Fewer sales and rising prices say we're not really in a buyer's market yet. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Home sales in the East Bay continue to increase compared with the last few months. However, the overall trend was fewer sales compared to the last 4 years. Ironically, there were a lot more homes in the market compared with this time last year, as inventory is approaching pre-pandemic levels, which meant buyers had a lot more choices. More supply didn't bring down prices during May. Prices were up compared with April and were up compared with this time last year. Let's look at local market conditions, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale up almost everywhere. Hayward 125 for sale, up more than 100%. Prices mixed. Albany, Hayward, and Oakland all down by more than 10%. Berkeley at 1.8 up 17%. Sales mostly down. Castro Valley, Newark, San Leandro all down more than 20%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale up almost everywhere. Pinole, 25 on the market, up 150%. Prices mixed. Big increases in El Cerrito and El Sobrante. Sales mostly down. Hercules, 9 sold, down almost 50%. Let's look at Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale up everywhere. Clayton and Pleasant Hill both up more than 50%. Prices mixed. Clayton down to 1.2, Pleasant Hill up at 1.18. Sales mostly down. Martinez and Pleasant Hill both down 25%. Next up is La Miranda. More homes for sale with a big increase in Orinda. Prices mixed. Orinda down to 1.8. Sales also mixed. Moraga down more than 30%, while Orinda up with 33 sold. Let's look at the Tri-Valley. More homes in the market almost everywhere. Dublin had 53, Pleasanton 120, and San Ramon 81. Prices were mixed. Alamo and Danville essentially unchanged. Livermore, Pleasanton, San Ramon all down. Sales were down. Alamo, Danville, Pleasanton all down at least 20%. San Ramon down more than 30%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale up everywhere. Discovery Bay 113 for sale. Prices mixed. Discovery Bay at 918 up 10%. Brentwood 785 down 8%. Sales down everywhere. More choices throughout the region didn't mean more sales. Last thought. Sales may be down compared with last year. However, buyers were in the market and were active. Pending sales during May were up month over month and year over year. We'll see you next month.